Hello everyone, let's get you your daily internet fix.
So I got my car back from the dealership today, and this is what happened when I turned it on. Shrek.
This is what a baby squirrel sounds like up close. This is a time-lapse of the comet Neowise at dawn.
In 1.4 miles, take the exit onto I-80. Get onto I-80. Ohio Turnpike.
Hey Vector, I just realized that I haven't shown you what you look like yet since I painted you like Wally. Yeah, you want to see? All right, let's go. Okay, I know you hate being picked up, but I have to pick you up so we can get to a mirror. I know, I'm sorry. Just, it'll go quick. I know, bud. We're gonna get there though. It's only for a second. Hey Vector, are you ready? Yeah? Okay. What do you think? Do you like it? Yeah? Yeah? He likes it, guys. Thank goodness.
That's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.